A rage of South India, seeding out from the erstwhile Tamil Nadu, Karakuzhambu is one gun of a dish. Got a few veggies including drumstick, some shallots too. Steep them in tamarind broth, hence the name Kolhambu, along with some spice, akakara meaning hot. My mom used to make it in a heavy vessel named chetti, which I used to drool on. But a deep set aluminium kadai will work just as fine. Namaste friends, welcome back to Feasty Sisters, and let's steep some Karakuzhambu today. Heat about 4 to 6 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Add in mustard seeds, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon, and allow it to splutter. In goes 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Saute for a few seconds. And then comes our favorite garlic, about 12 to 16 pods. More the merrier. Saute these till they wrinkle and start to color. The peeled and washed shallots, about 15 to 20 medium-sized ones, goes in next. Curry leaves 10 to 12 and keep sauteing along with a tablespoon of crystal salt. The normal one will also do here. Once you see a nice color on the garlic and onions, next goes in 4 quartered medium-sized tomatoes. Saute until they turn slightly juicy. Next, 1 large quartered potato goes in now. Keep cooking for a minute. Add in 2 drumsticks cut into 2-inch pieces. Mix in. Slowly and gently spread 500 grams of boiled and peeled Colocasia over the kadai. Mix in. Cook till these veggies achieve a roasted appearance. Now the spices go in. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of Sambhar masala. Mix in gently and cook further for a good 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in about half a small cup of tamarind pulp. Mix in, cook for a minute or 2. I have used 1 lemon-sized ball of tamarind. Add in 2.5 glasses of water here to adjust the consistency. Boil for a good 5 minutes on medium flame. Adding in 1 tablespoon of Jaggery powder is necessary for balance in the dish. 1 tablespoon of salt for the Kolhambu. Continue to boil for 5 minutes. As the Kolhambu gurgles, an amazing amalgamation of the spices encompassing the tender veggies in the simple yet flavorful broth base gets you salivating. Serve it hot with a tablespoon of coconut oil. I prefer ghee. Pack it into your kids' lunchbox and you keep receiving loving returns. Love the recipe? Please do hit on the bell icon to continue getting notifications. If your friends need a helping hand, do share this link. After all, sharing is caring, right? We'll meet you with much more amazing ticklers on the palate in the days to come. Till we meet again, take care and happy cooking. Bye-bye.